The lane departure warning or LDW, and lane departure prevention or LDP systems, if so equipped, are activated at speeds of approximately 37 miles per hour and above when the lane markings are clear. These systems monitor the lane markers on the traveling lane using a camera unit located above the inside mirror. The LDW system is activated when the camera detects that the vehicle is approaching the left or the right side of the traveling lane. The steering wheel will vibrate and the lane departure warning indicator light will blink in the instrument panel. Push the ProPilot Assist button located here to activate the LDP system. When LDP is activated, the system helps return the vehicle to the center of the traveling lane. To enable or disable the systems, use these controls to select settings. Driver Assistance. Lane Assist. Then, select the system you want to turn on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.